What up, YouTube? I'm gonna try to make some orange chicken. I just bought some that Panda Express liquid orange stuff. Wow. Orange sauce? Orange chicken sauce? Whatever it is. So I cut up some onion, minced garlic, and some white onion. And then I threw a little soy sauce and some olive oil to saute these the onions and the green onions. So I'm gonna make them with some chicken nuggets from McDonald's. So I bought 20 piece. I'm gonna throw these little chicken nuggets in there. And I got the orange sauce from Panda. Guess I could have made my own orange sauce, but I wanted that same orange chicken taste from the from Panda. So yeah, let's see how it comes out. So there's the little chicken nuggets right there, and then Drizzy, the orange sauce on it. I'm gonna see if it comes out. When I ate it, it was a little bit too sweet. Maybe if I put more vegetables in it or something, or I put way too much sauce. It was it was kind of too sweet. I should have put like, I don't know, something. I needed to put something like salty. You need like a sweet and salty kind of vibe, but it was pretty good. It was just a little bit sweet. But then when I put it with rice, so when you mix it in with the rice, it was pretty good still. But yeah, here's the end product. I put some sesame on it, and it came out to like some orange chicken, some straight orange chicken. It's pretty crazy.